Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we're going to learn how to customize your cart icon's behavior so you can select an option on what you want to happen when it's clicked. Let's get started. So first, click on your cart icon and click on Settings. Go to the Settings tab on this window, and here you'll see two options. So to show the side cart or to open the full cart page. If you choose to show a side cart, a panel here on the right side will appear, showing you the things you've added to your cart as well as relevant info when you click on your cart icon. But if you select the Open Full Cart Page option, every time a site user clicks on the cart, they'll be taken to a dedicated cart page, such as this, where they can see the products they've added to their cart as well as other relevant details. So feel free to select which of these two options you'd like to use on your Wix site. It's all up to you. And don't forget, once you're done setting things up, you can close this window and click on Save to save your changes. Or if your site's previously been published, you can click on Publish again in order to publish your changes to your live site as well. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.